Welcome to Rusted and Restored Auto Sales Today we've got a 1957 Fargo 100. So this was the half-ton version. This was a Canadian agriculture truck. Floor in it's pretty decent. Needs a little bit of work. Same with the box floor. It does have the tailgate, which is really rare. Normally they have a grain chute cut off in them. This one's fairly good. Box sides are also fairly good. The 100 badgings all there. Has the original V8 engine that came with it. Like I said, it's a nice project truck, and if you are ever interested in one of our trucks, we do deliver across Canada, and they're pretty much all for sale. So thanks a lot for checking this video out. Make sure to like and subscribe for more old trucks. I have a whole yard of them, and I do put out videos almost every week. And so I wouldn't want you to miss any. And hopefully you have a great day and keep on trucking. Bye.